Hi guys, welcome back to Theology. Today guys, I am going to bring you into a little quick DIY project that I am getting ready to do. I've made two of these, but they're the small ones. But I decided I wanted a bigger one for my coffee bar, breakfast bar station. So guys, let's get into this DIY. Welcome to Theology. 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 Hey, Theology. Theology. Okay, guys, in this DIY, what I am getting ready to do is build a riser. This one, I'm gonna show you how big this one is. What I usually do is go to Habitat from Humanity, and I can find these doors anywhere from 50 cents, well, most time 25 cents to up to $5. This is the first time me going in Habitat and actually finding one this big for $1. It was tagged for $5 and she was like, no, the tag was wrong. So it was for $1. The feet I'm going to be using for this riser, that is how thick and chunky they are. And this riser does not have the size of how tall it is, but it is much taller than the risers that I already have. And with this one, it needs a little bit more support because how big this riser is going to be. These legs, I did get it from a creative store. They sell different types of granite and all that, and they had a whole bunch of this stuff on clearance. So on these legs, guys, I got them for 75 cents a piece. So my riser total price will be under $5. So these are the feet, well, the legs, and I'm going to show you the door, which would be my tabletop for my riser. So guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is just how big this one is, and I found it. It was tagged $5, but once I got to the rest of the guys, she told me it was $1. So excellent, excellent, excellent buy. I'm gonna turn like this to see if you can see about how long it is. Yes, it is big, guys. So guys, let's get busy with this. Okay guys, what I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna using power drill, and also the bit I am using, it is a 1364. And if you want to see what a 1364, there it is. It's a 1364. So that is the bit I'm going to be using. So while I'm doing this, guys, a lot don't know how to install this. You just put it in and you turn it. And once you turn it, you turn a little tighter and it's ready to go. So it locks in itself. So let's get busy. So I'm going to find exactly the way I want to put my hole, and it's just a pre. You go in and then hit your reverse and reverse right back out. So that is your clippings. So I'm going to go right over here. So I have 2 more to go, and then we're going to put the legs on. Okay, the legs are on. So all 4 of the legs. I was gonna add one in here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need that support yet because this is solid. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna need one. If so, I will add that one. But nevertheless, let's go to step number 2. Okay, guys, now I have the allowance of the room that I want. This piece of glass will be going back on top, but it's giving me the space under here that I want. So this is perfect, guys. Perfect. So let me go ahead on and finish the rest of it. I am going to brush the feet. I'm not going to do that now. You will see totally what it looked like, painted and all, when I do a collab that I have coming up December the 1st. So you will see it completely, what all of it looked like and all of the decor that's going to be on it on December 1st. So guys, stay tuned. I'm getting ready to put the glass on. Okay, guys, for all spills and all, and I do have that in my home, just like any others. I put this glass on, and guys, that's just how thick it is. So, yeah, I'm not worrying about anything drop. I can just easily wipe it off. It is beveled on the end right here. So, guys, that is it. So this is just a quick thing, but stay tuned again to December the 1st, and you will see me having all decked out for what I really wanted it for. So guys, until the next time, talk to you later. Okay, so guys, this is done. It was a quick thing. Once again, the door top cost me $1, and the legs to this cost me 75 cents a piece. So it cost me under $5 for this riser. It is the height that I really need. And now I don't have two separate ones up here, so I had to put my coffee pot up here, and I have asked for a new Ninja with a frapper for Christmas, so hopefully I get it. But nevertheless, guys, I want to show you this, but do stay tuned for December the 1st, and you will see exactly how I decorate this for my coffee breakfast station. So guys, please like, subscribe, and thumb up my video. And until the next time, guys, you know what I always say, I hate to go, but I will be back. So bye.